I'm Carrena, lover of all things creative, and this is My Crafty Life.
See, what's it taking money to you? About to do something in your room. Yes?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We gonna get you together.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Hey, so I am at my sister-in-law's house today in my nephew Cambry's room, and I am going to finish a project that we randomly started Sunday. So they moved into their house probably a little over a week ago. It's definitely still like in the move-in process, but we just were over here randomly, and my mother volunteered me to start putting up the wallpaper, and we thought we were gonna be able to finish it, but she hadn't ordered enough of it, so I'm about to open it. She ordered this off of Amazon. This is removable wallpaper, so it's just like a thick kind of adhesive vinyl, not permanent, so it comes off pretty easily. It goes up easily. It was a really simple process, so it could have been finished the other day, but I'm actually really glad that we didn't finish it because now I can record footage. So this is what the rolls look like, and she ordered this off Amazon. I'll ask her for the link for it, but Practical WS is the brand name. And I don't know if you can see like texture wise, but it's like a thick kind of textured vinyl with, it's kind of similar to a contact paper, but to me it comes off much easier than contact paper. But this is it, comes in these rolls. I don't know what the square footage and all that is, but I'm gonna just start showing you how it actually goes up. So this is what we already started the other day. This was 2 rows, right here? Mm-hmm. All right, 2 rows got us, and this was every piece of the 2 rows, but it got us like almost half. Almost, like just a smidge away from half. We really like it so far. It's a very forgiving pattern. You cannot see all the places where I messed up and the little imperfections and stuff. It's very forgiving. So like this is in natural light, so I can see a couple of things on here, but really once you go over there and like just kind of work on it, smooth it out, you really can't see hardly any of the imperfections. It's so pretty. So we're about to go ahead and get the rest of it up. Hopefully it won't take long. As I drink my coffee. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get to it. All right, so I had to redo the first piece that y'all saw me doing a lot because the paper has margins, right? So this is a wider margin, this is a narrower margin. You're supposed to overlap it. The piece that I started with, the margin was reversed, so it was not, I see something on the video that I'm not seeing on the actual paper. Anyway, the margin was reversed and it was giving me a hard time with lining it up. But here, the overlap like stayed fine the whole time. Now I'm about to just cut, like, you know, use my Xacto to cut around the light fixture, or the, whatever this is called, socket, and then I'm gonna cut the bottom trim. So after that first piece, the process actually became a little bit easier because what I did was just unrolled all of the rolls and started hanging from the opposite end, if that makes sense. And it seemed like I was able to line up my margins and everything better that way. Also, the most difficult part, I would say, was when I was hanging from the top, I couldn't always tell if it was straight across, like if I was hanging it evenly, and then I would maybe have to rework it because towards the bottom my overlap would decrease if it was hanging up crooked. That part was a little difficult. And then this corner, I just had to kind of cut a piece off of another piece and then overlap it so that it was like just maybe an inch shy of covering the whole wall. So once I overlapped it, kind of gave it some excess onto the other wall so I could just trim it away. That's what I'm doing here with the Xacto knife. But overall, that part was pretty simple. And for his name, it was a pretty lightweight wood cutout. And so we just put the Velcro command strips on the back and hung it up on the wall. Okay, this is it. It's done. We put his name up there. So of course the room is not like finished decorating. She still has curtains to put up, a rug, actually the sheets and stuff that go on the bed. But I think it looks so good. And like I said, when I first got on, the imperfections that I see, like while I'm doing it, are not that visible once it's all up there. I have noticed with it, like you do kind of have to go through and keep smoothing it when you kind of first put it up there. So like right now I can see some bubbles here and there, but you just go up to it, smooth it, and it's done, and it wipes down really easily. It looks really, really good. I love it. She loves it too. She's just downstairs because the baby started crying. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked it, definitely give it a nice thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment below letting me know if you've ever tried removable wallpaper or if you think this is something that you may try after seeing this video. Leave comments just saying hey, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, all those things. I will definitely have more of this type of content coming up soon, and I will do my best to keep uploading weekly as much as possible. With me starting a new job, I don't have as much free time as I used to have, but I will definitely try to keep the content coming. So thanks again. See y'all next time. Bye.